Act as best scriptwriter and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content. And remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 29. DJI Mavic 4 Pro May 13th. Announcement. Confirmed specs, feature, and price. YouTube https www.youtube.com. Watch. VR39NT16RTGY transcript 0000. DJI has officially announced that its newest flagship drone, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, will be released on May 13, 2025. With a groundbreaking set of features, this drone promises to change the way professionals and enthusiasts approach aerial photography and videography. Packed with high-end camera technology, enhanced flight capabilities, and smart safety features, the Mavic 4 Pro is not just an upgrade. Year 027. It's a complete reimagining of what a compact drone can music do. At the heart of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its triple camera setup, offering an incredible level of flexibility for aerial creators. The highlight is the Hasselblad 4-3 CMOS main camera, featuring a new 100-megapixel sensor. This camera supports dual native ISO, which helps capture more light and produce clear images in both bright and low-light conditions, WOR 110. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution ensures colors look true to life, and the camera can record up to 6K at 60 frames per second in HDR, giving users the ability to shoot cinematic quality video right from the sky. Alongside the main camera, DJI has included two powerful telephoto cameras. The 70mm medium telephoto camera has a 1:1, a 1:35, 3 in CMOS sensor, while the 168mm telephoto camera comes with a 1:1.5 in CMOS sensor. Both cameras feature f2.8 apertures, dual native ISO, and subject tracking. They can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second in HDR, making them ideal for capturing distant subjects with rich detail and vibrant color. The longer telephoto lens also supports panorama photography, allowing you to capture expansive high-resolution scenes with a unique perspective. Under O2, Udro 8. Even more impressive, all three cameras work together seamlessly. Thanks to D-Log color profiles, the color output remains consistent across all lenses, making editing easier and transitions between angles smoother. DJI has introduced a brand new infinity gimbal in the Mavic 4 Pro. This design allows 360-degree horizontal rotation, a significant improvement over the limitations of previous models, Ozone 2.42. The gimbal arms have been completely redesigned to support more flexible and expressive aerial camera movements. You can even shoot upward angles of up to 70 degrees, a feature that's especially helpful for capturing dramatic scenes like tall buildings or overhead landscapes. This level of freedom in camera movement brings a new dimension to drone cinematography, letting users create more dynamic and engaging footage from angles that were previously difficult or impossible to achieve. 03:18. Flying in low light or at night can be risky with many drones, but not with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. It comes with 6 high-performance fisheye sensors, each with 0.1 lux sensitivity. That's extremely low light capable. These sensors, combined with dual onboard processors, allow for omnidirectional obstacle detection, helping the drone avoid collisions even at speeds up to 18 ms in dark environments. 03:46. Whether you're flying under streetlights or in open night skies, the drone can sense its surroundings and make smart decisions. In near total darkness below 0.1 lux, the drone uses its forward F-facing LAR sensor to spot obstacles and apply emergency braking to avoid crashes. This level of safety in night flying is a game-changer for creators who want to shoot after sunset or in challenging lighting conditions. 4:19. The Mavic 4 Pro doesn't just have cutting-edge cameras. It also brings impressive flight specs. It's aerodynamic. Design and efficient motors paired with a 95-watt battery allow it to fly for up to 51 minutes on a single charge. With a maximum speed of 90 km/h and a maximum range of 41 km, it gives users the power to explore more without worrying about battery life or distance limits. 447. This extended flight time is particularly useful for location scouting, long tracking shots, or complex time-lapse photography where endurance and stability are key. It also ensures a more relaxed shooting experience, giving creators plenty of time in the air. DJI has equipped the Mavic 4 Pro with its newest O4 Plus video transmission system, offering a stable and clear connection even at very long distances. 0521. This system supports 10-bit HDR transmission up to 30 km away. That means even if you're flying far from your location, you'll still see smooth, high-quality footage on your controller screen. The O4 Plus system also includes improvements for flying in urban environments where signal interference is common. 42. Thanks to upgraded algorithms, the connection remains more stable and responsive, even in areas with lots of Wi-Fi or radio traffic. Alongside the drone, DJI is launching the RC Pro 2, a foldable remote controller built to match the Mavic 4 Pro's high standards. It includes a 7-in mini LED screen with stunning brightness and color clarity. 611. The screen automatically turns on or off when the controller is unfolded or folded, adding convenience to setup and storage. One standout feature is the controller's ability to rotate, which instantly switches the gimbal to portrait mode. This is great for creating vertical content for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. 06.32. The joysticks stay attached and adjust with the screen movement, which makes the overall design more compact and efficient. The RC Pro 2 also includes a built-in microphone and supports direct connection to DJI mic products, making it easy to record high-quality audio while flying. A great bonus for vloggers and content creators. 0659. Returning to the main camera. It's worth highlighting the professional-grade imaging performance made possible by DJI's partnership with Hasselblad. The new 100-megapixel 4.3 CMOS sensor is capable of capturing incredible detail with up to 16 stops of dynamic range. This kind of range is typically only found in cinema cameras, allowing users to retain detail in both highlights and shadows, even in scenes like sunrises, sunsets, or other high-contrast environments. 0730. The variable aperture from f2.0 to f11 gives creators even more control over exposure and depth of field. The lens is also designed to create a unique 10-point starburst effect around bright light sources, adding artistic flair to nighttime music shots. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro sets a new benchmark for what's possible in a portable drone. 07.59. With its triple camera system, cinema-quality video, unmatched flight time, and next-level safety features, it's clearly built for professionals who demand the best, but with its intuitive controls and smart features, even serious hobbyists will find it accessible and inspiring. Whether you're shooting documentaries, surveying landscapes, creating YouTube content, or simply exploring the world from above, the Mavic 4 Pro offers everything you need and more. 8.29. Its official release on May 13, 2025 is highly anticipated, and it's sure to be one of DJI's most impactful product launches to date.